So let's look at an example of basic paragraph structure 2, and we have a paragraph here that you may like to pause the recording for a minute to read, and then I'll continue. Okay, now that you've had a read of that, you will see that this paragraph fits the structure below of the topic, note-taking, plus two fairly loosely or closely connected controlling focuses, is a valuable skill, and important strategies available. So, where are we going to go with this? I would like to talk a little bit about those closely connected controlling focuses again, although I have already done this in the previous videos. So basically, if the topic is trees, then the two loosely connected controlling focuses may be acorns and leaves. Or if you're talking about construction, then your two connected controlling focuses might be nuts and bolts. But if it's anything too different, then you would take that away and create maybe a whole new paragraph, or maybe lose the idea altogether. So if we look at how we might edit a paragraph that is using the basic structure 2, where you have the controlling focus A and B, mostly you would edit the topic sentence in order to get something that's maybe shorter, a bit more impact, a bit more crispness. So let's have a look. Here we have our same example here, and we see that there are all these words inside that first sentence, and we see a lot of words like and, there, are, many, and important. They really are a bit meaningless, and there's a whole lot of them, and that's a red flag that perhaps it's a good idea to actually just get rid of them. Do we need them? Can we rewrite that topic sentence in a far shorter and impactful way? So here you see I have prepared one already earlier today, and we have a topic sentence now. Note-taking is a valuable skill with strategies available. The merit of note-taking strategies is that learners are more likely to retain content, etc., etc., etc. So we find that if we look at how that is constructed, we can do that by deconstructing it. We see that we have a topic of note-taking, we have the two controlling focuses, is a valuable skill, strategies available, and in the supporting sentence which goes with valuable skill, maybe we used to have the word value, but because we've already got valuable there, perhaps we could think of a similar word, like in this case I've changed value to merit, just so we're dealing with any repetitiveness that doesn't really work. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's a matter of discussion again with your learners. The merit of note-taking strategies is that learners are more likely to retain content. So this is a supporting sentence giving an example or support showing how valuable note-taking is. Now I only chose to use one support sentence for that particular controlling focus, and I have 2 supporting sentences for the next one. Okay, strategies available, and I have 2 supporting sentences. Shortened words, abbreviations and symbols can help get the information onto the page faster. That's one strategy that we're talking about, and another strategy that is available, mind maps, bullet points and numbered lists are ways to organize ideas on a page. In this case I've chosen not to use a concluding sentence. If I did use one, I could either restate that topic sentence, or I could summarize maybe the whole of that paragraph, but in fact it's not always necessary to put a concluding sentence there. So, in summary, we have the second basic structure of the paragraph, topic and two controlling focuses in the topic sentence, and all of the sentences underneath that support first the first controlling focus and then the next controlling focus. This way our paragraph is really becoming nicely clear and focused, especially if we do a double check to get those meaningless wordy words out of that topic sentence so that it has a crisper, more impactful feel to it. You may like to pause the slide now just to read the basic summary of what we've done and have a look at what we're about to do next.